Hi, my name is Scott from Barrier Breeze Studios, and welcome to AI Writing for Neophytes. I created this channel to show inspiring authors how artificial intelligence can be your writing partner, helping to transform your ideas into polished stories. As of today, I've written several books and short stories. The reason I use AI as a writing partner is because I think I have some great ideas, but I do not have the best writing skills. My best writing typically starts with see, spot, run. My goal is to help the new writers explore the amazing ways AI can enhance the writing process. I like to think of AI as a kind of ghostwriter, someone who helps me write. I bring the story ideas, and the AI helps me put them into words. In today's video, I'll introduce you to two powerful AI tools, Claude.ai and ChatGPT. Hopefully, these tools will help kickstart your own writing journey. Even if you've never used AI before, don't worry, this is easy, and I'll guide you through every step of the process. You'll see two Chrome windows. One window, the one on the left, shows an AI tool called Claude.ai. The window in the center shows a tool called ChatGPT. Both tools use a chat box for communication purposes. Claude specifically says, "How can Claude help you today?" Whereas ChatGPT simply says, "Message ChatGPT." In order to demonstrate the capabilities of these tools to help us develop a story, let's start with the following premise. Imagine you've just woken up from a nap with an amazing story idea from a dream. You want to capture it, but you're not sure where to start. I'll show you exactly how to use these AI tools to develop your story, and let's start with Claude. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. You'll notice on the right-hand side, I am using a notepad. In the notepad, I have my requests that I want to use for both Claude.ai and ChatGPT. My request is, I want an opening scene for a story of a young adult man waking up on a beach. As his eyes open, he sees the sun shining across the water. He doesn't know where he is, and he doesn't know who he is. Watch how easy this is. I am going to copy our request into Claude, and let's see how Claude responds. Here are the results from Claude. The rhythmic whisper of waves pulled him from darkness. Salt-laden air filled his lungs as consciousness crept in, each breath drawing him further from the void. I'm not going to read the rest. I'm actually going to save this response in a document, which will be in a link below if you want to read it in greater detail. Now, let's see what ChatGPT does with the exact same request. You can see that ChatGPT is also a pretty special writer. The first sensation was grit of sand clinging to his cheek, damp and cool. He stirred, wincing at the ache in his limbs, as if he had been through some unseen trials. Again, I won't read the rest, but this entire document, this response, will be a link in the YouTube channel below. Now, this is a great idea, but let's go back to Claude, and you can see I have in the notepad, let's have this young man be abandoned by pirates on a desert island, and let's see what Claude has to say. With this modification to the story that we're envisioning, Claude came back and said, I've modified the opening to hint at a darker backstory involving pirates, adding details like rope burns and glimpses of memories. Again, I will leave this response in the link below so you can read it in greater detail, but I hope you can see by these two simple examples how easy it is to use Claude.ai and ChatGPT to help you enhance your story idea. Now that we have an introduction to both of these tools, we have the opportunity to go ahead and begin to develop our story. The following videos on the channel will talk about how do we build out chapter 1. What if I want to turn this into a novel? What would an outline look like? The tools are very powerful and they have a lot of capabilities. But by watching the videos, hopefully this will allow you to bring your story to life and you can use the AI tools as your ghostwriters. Please subscribe and have a great day.